Welcome. If you want to connect Bluetooth device to your CUBOT Note 7, at the first you have to open notification bar, activate Bluetooth, then click and hold to enter Bluetooth settings, and then do the same on the second device that you want to connect, and go to pair new device. So as you can see, this smartphone pops on the list, but I don't want to connect to this one. I want to connect to this. The name of this smartphone is, wait a minute. Okay, as you can see here, I got our CUBOT and also our Verdi M5 appear here. So just tap on the list to connect, and after a few moments you will be able to connect. Let's disconnect from this. Okay, as you can see, there's some kind of debug with the budgets smartphones. So as you can see right now, we are connected. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya.